So let's talk emails. There's a couple rules I use and a couple new things I've adapted as of late, like recently, that kind of help me out, to keep on top of everything. Because when you have a lot of weddings booked or a lot of events booked in general, you get a lot of emails. There's a lot of clients out there. There's a lot of questions. There's a lot of weddings are the most important day of these people's lives. You keep them waiting too long, it could get hairy, okay? So here's my process. It's very, very simple. I figured I'd share it with you. This will help you stay on top of your emails, not have to worry about any bullshit, okay? Number one, I have a 24-hour rule. My rule is I try to answer every single email within 24 hours. That's my rule. Because emails come all times of the day. They could come in the middle of the night, whatever. As long as I answer it within 24 hours, you're usually good. Every once in a while, you might get a bridezilla that's like hitting you up after 12 hours, like, yo, did you get my last email? Da-da-da. And then you just handle that right away. Oh, no, yeah, I did. I'm so sorry. Da-da-da. And, make sure it's all good. But within 24 hours, usually you're good. And then something I started doing that I think is a pretty cool idea, and it's working out for me, and I want to run it by you guys, see what you think, is an email response for the weekends. And I actually asked ChatGPT to help me with this. So I basically said, I'm a wedding DJ. I want to write an automatic email vacation responder message that says like, hey, it's a weekend. I'm busy at events. I'm working. I might take a little longer to get back to you. That's all, because you would think that's implied, but not everybody thinks about that. Sometimes I get an email on literally Saturday, evening. I'm DJing, and then I get an email the next day on Sunday. It's like, yo, did you get my email? What's up? I'm like, yeah, but like I'm DJing weddings. You know what I mean? Like, my bad. I'm in the zone. Not now, chief. I'm in the zone, right? So they wrote that. ChatGPT wrote this cool little responder. I tweaked it a little bit for myself, but this is like a great kind of template, I think, if you want to steal it. I mean, it's not mine. It's ChatGPT's, right? So, hello, thank you for reaching out. It's the weekend, and I'm currently in the midst of DJing some fantastic events. Your message means a lot, and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible. Please expect a slight delay in my reply due to my DJ schedule. For urgent matters, feel free to contact, and then you can put your alternate contact. Thanks for your understanding and patience. Best regards. Bam. So, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing that every weekend now. Doesn't mean I'm not going to get back to them within 24 hours. It's just in case it gives me that little buffer, so they're not freaking out. They realize, hey, I'm out working. My bad. I got you. So try it out. Let me know what you think.